You all right, bud? Are you okay? Do you need help? Okay, medics are here. Why don't we go see the medic?
It's at 30. He's right in front of 3455 Sullivan, but he's right in front of the bus.
Is he breathing?
I have no idea. I'm not gonna go over there.
Anybody yelled at him or anything?
No, but every police officer did go by. Nobody's even paying attention to it. It looks like he might be dead. I don't know. He's not moving. It ain't like he's breathing.
Outside and that's it.
Yeah, it's a black male, but I can't tell how old or anything. Well, he's got black pants on. He's got a black jacket with white and yellow stripes on the sleeves and a white hoodie. And then he's got a white hoodie on over his head. I can't really see his face, but he's not moving at all. And I'm kind of nervous about even going over. I don't want to be.
And he's right in the middle of the street and everybody's just driving around him?
No. He's not in the middle of the street. He's on the side of the street on the curb,
Okay.
right by the bus stop or whatever.
Laying in parking lot.
He's just laying right in the edge of the parking lot towards the street.
There's a guy here, across from Sunoco. Hey, buddy. Hey.
Here for a while. I drove down, couldn't turn around.
Hey, bud.
Yeah.
No, he's warm.
Good.
He's fine. 193. You start a medic. Looks like he's just out of it. Maybe 1019. Hey. What's wrong with my radio, man? I get nothing.
Whoa! Time to wake up, buddy. There you go.
Hey. What's going on?
Hey, there's your shoe right there. What?
Get your shoe. Get your shoe.
Swear to God, I'm not playing, bro.
Huh?
You think I'm playing, bro? Swear to God, I ain't playing, bro.
What are you talking about?
Touch me, bro. Touch me, I swear to God.
I don't understand what you're saying.
Come on, nigga.
You alright? You alright?
Come on, bro. Bro. Teach him, bro. Teach him how to box, bro. Yeah, bro. This is your dream, bro. Not with dream, bro. All right, nigga. Not with dream, bro. Ah, no, fuck you.
I'm just trying to help, man. He did not like me. Hey! Now he's acting like he's talking on a phone. You alright, bud? Are you okay? Do you need help? Okay, medics are here. Why don't we go see the medic? Okay? Did you drink a lot or what? Huh? Well, why don't we go talk to the medic? See if they can help you out, alright? Come on. Come on. Are you taking a pee? He's taking a pee right now. Let him pee. He's taking a pee. Go ahead and pee, man. No, I don't want to interrupt that. Hey, let's get some help. go. You done? You done? Hey, I'm officer, can I help? Huh? Come on. Did he? Yeah, figured. Come on, let's go. Hey, come on. Oh. Come on, let's walk. I don't know.
Hey, boss, what's your name, man?
I'll go get another few.
Yeah, it's lay down there.
How many only got there? Oh, okay.
Think?
Hey, brother, what's your name? Hey, man.
All over the place.
No, we have no information on him whatsoever.
10:30 to 12:30.
He jumped up and he was going to spar with us. I'm sure we startled him, and then he came over here, hiding from us. I think legitimately trying to.
Just think about it and you really get back with me.
Let me cut that off. You get that?
Hey, brother.
10:30 to
There you go.
12:30.
Not now.
Hey, man. It's okay. It's okay. Calm down for me.
And Court should have been watching them.
Oh, it's okay. How you doing, man? What's your name? Abdi? Hey, brother, we're going to take you to the hospital, okay?
No.
Hey, man, you're passing out. You got to get you to the hospital. You peed on yourself.
What?
Huh? Abdi, can you get on this cot for me?
No, go. Okay.
No, you're not okay.
Did you take something? You been drinking? You can't stay out here, man. No, you can't. Abdi, get on the cot for me.
Come on, Abdi, let's go with
Let's
them.
go.
Just make sure you're all right, bud.
Come on, bro. Let's get on the cot.
Come on, Abdi.
There you go. Have a seat.
My shoes!
Huh? You got your drawers on.
My shoes!
We get it.
Available for search.
Let me get him while he's still docile, because this goes crazy quick.
Okay. You need a copy. They're going to be at 263 Rexham.
No, it's a criminal charge.
Disorderly conduct.
Really?
That's it. So.
There we go. Hold on, bud. Chill out.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank
Warm?
you.
All right, let's keep warm. Hold on. I don't got another one.
Thanks, brother.
He's appreciative. Did you see that? He said thank you.
Yeah, but after they said, you don't want that smoke, old man.
Where's up?